Focus. You can work 80 hours a week and still be unproductive if you're producing the wrong things. Being an executive without focus is like being a ship's captain polishing the deck while sailing straight toward an iceberg. It doesn't matter how good it looks. Impact comes from steering the ship to safety. Are you chasing tasks or chasing results? Are you filling your calendar or fulfilling your purpose? Peter Drucker teaches that effectiveness is not about doing more things, it's about doing the right things. It's the discipline of turning time into impact, decisions into action, and action into meaningful results. You can drown in busyness or rise through clarity. You can react to everything or choose what truly moves the needle. Because the measure of your work isn't how much you do, it's how much of it matters. Read The Effective Executive. Stop doing more, start doing what matters. Follow @FreddyWisdom for more game-changing insights.